Hello and welcome back to another video of Kirkby Bank and this OG's Railway. In this video will be slightly different. I'll be actually running some trains, but I'd like to thank 50 people who recently subscribed. Helps the channel grow really good. And if you haven't, if you could think about subscribing, it's free anyway, down in the little box. Just tick it and tick the bell and subscribe anyway. So yeah, in this video we're going to run two actual trains, 12 coach train with two black fives, which you see behind me here, and also about a 40 odd wagon coal train. I've run two temporary tracks in the shed here. I'll go out the shed, round through the workshop, back across the bridge and into the shed, eventually end up behind me anyway. But it's the first time I've ever run anything on the workshop curve anyway, so I thought I'd like to try that anyway. So let's get on with the video and I'll see you on the other side. Right, this is for the first time I'm going to actually run trains across the workshop curve. So I've got this temporary 3 metre track set up coming into the shed. This will eventually be further over that way. So there's 45 coal trucks. I'm going to attempt to take them right the way out through the workshop, across the bridge, back into the shed on the other side, and right the way around, as though it was going to go outside, but it can't go any further because there's no hole in the wall. So here we go.
As far as the engines can go up to now, because as you see it goes to a blank wall. There will be a hole through there, nice tunnel, and it will go down the outside along the fence and eventually coming back down to where we were before. This is a plan of the layout as drawn in AnyRail 7. Up to now this track exists to where it says Acton Junction, and I've just done some temporary tracks which came inside the shed there. None of this track here exists yet because that's along the fence outside the actual shed. So what we actually done was run from the temporary tracks across Acton Junction there into Parkbrook Junction round there into the outer part of the workshop, through the workshop, across the bridge which links the workshop to the main shed, into the main shed. On the higher level we climbed gradient about 100 round the curve there, eventually comes to the wall there, which there's no hole in the wall, so that's as far as we could go, just to make it clear what I've actually done and have a bigger overview anyway, especially for those who are new to the channel anyway. Right, thank you for getting this far. It's been really good to actually run some trains instead of building something. But in the next video I'll be actually working on backgrounds. You can see behind me here I've actually put backing paper on all the hardboard which went all the way around, and I'm going to actually put some proper scenic paper on that. So that's in the next video anyway. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.